Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Pika Wednesday. And I don't have a Pika, I have Boo. Today's challenge was crafts. So I brought a couple out. She has on a, oh, what are they? Baby Alive. I have a Baby Alive collection, quite large actually. She has on one of their little robes. I'm going to show you her diaper in a minute. When I heard the challenge, I started crocheting this, which took me longer than I thought. When I say I'm crocheting for wrist therapy, I really am. I mean, I joke about it, but I really am. So I just made this little blanket. It's like soft baby fall colors, and I just did a stitch and a half with a border, little lacy like border, and I made that for her for this video. And I also had made this little diaper. I'm going to show it. Let's pull her out of this. This is reversible, and today she's wearing the Halloween side for October, and then we will turn it inside out for November, and it has Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Also, if you have a Pika video today, would you let me know so that I can go watch it? We don't always get the hashtags, and the algorithm doesn't always show who else is doing the same challenges, and I don't want to miss yours. So please, let us know in the comments if you have a Pika video today. And please subscribe to our channel. See, we have black German Shepherd dogs. I got to pull that off.
So I've heard of bats in the belfry. Is this like bats on the butt?
Yeah, bats on the butt. There you go.